I spoke to Gateway the other day and they said there was nothing wrong with the system. In fact, I've even entered one vehicle, as you can see here. If you go to vehicle list and then return, you'll see that there is one vehicle here, which if you open up as an Excel spreadsheet, I opened. So, but I think the problem that you had is that you hadn't set up any of the parameters. When you go to Vehicle Master and you go to enter a vehicle like you do, what was missing, so if you go to Qatar and you go to, let's say, Toyota model Camry, was the plate code. There was no plate code, so it wouldn't allow you to enter a vehicle. So you need to add plate codes. So if you go to Assets, Asset Master, let's have a look. Assets, Asset Master. Nope, forget that one. Fleet Manager, Induction, Vehicle Master, beg your pardon. Go to Vehicle. I lie. Go to Vehicle Related Master. Okay, and then what you have here is plate codes. Okay, if you go to plus and select Qatar, and then what you need to do is put plate code. So we have Qatar A. This is what I did yesterday. I did plate code A, plate name. So just repeat it there and there. I don't know what the plate codes are in Qatar, so you'll need to enter this. Once you've entered, let's say B and B, you click Save. And then when you go to Vehicle Master, and then you enter a vehicle, it will come up here under plate code when you go to Qatar. When you, let's say you pick Qatar here, okay, it will come up B here. Okay, then you should be able to follow everything else as per normal, and it should work. And then click Save, and it should work. Okay, so I need you to start this straight away. Make sure you put the registration date, the insurance expiry date, the purchase price, any additions, which is the purchase price would be, let's say a Toyota Camry costs 80,000. The additions would be any finance cost on top of the 80,000 on the original purchase price, and then the depreciation is 20. Okay, and then use my other video that I sent you on filling out the rest of this. So again, to repeat, the reason that you have an issue is because the plate code was missing. Go to Fleet Management, go to Induction and go to Vehicle Related Master. Okay, and then choose plate code. Okay, if you need dealers, you add the dealers here. So you go to add a new dealer, insurance company, you go here, model, if you've got cars that you haven't got already listed here, go to add a model. You just simply go to add, select the brand and the model type, or brand. If you need to add a brand like Daihatsu, you would do it here under brands. Okay, and under models obviously would be the Canto, etc. Okay, so this is your master. You need to add masters here. Okay, that should allow you now to enter the vehicle details. And don't forget, you need to add attachments. Okay, like copy of trade line, sorry, copy of registration, copy of insurance. Okay, but again, that was in my last video. Okay, so I hope that helps. Let me know if you have any more problems.